Create a new assignment by clicking the new button, or new buttons here, or you can select new assignment from the gradebook menu, which is up here. New assignment would be the second option. You have to give your assignment a name. You can enter a description about what the assignment is going to talk about. The assignment type is going to be the formative, summative, or homework assignments that we set up in the earlier training. You have to have a max score. This would be either you're going to give them a percentage or out of how many points you're going to give them. Raw score means how many points, and percentage would mean the percentage if you're going out of a percent. You then want to make sure if your max score is 50 that you have the matching points score in your column. We can have the date that the assignment is given. And then the date that it will be due. We want it to show in the portal so that the students and parents can see it. And you can turn this on if you would like it to only show when a score has been entered. All your class standards will be entered for you by the district. So what you want to do is find the standard that aligns with what you just entered. You can enter more than one if needed. You also want to assign the assignment to all or some of your classes. So you need to choose which classes you want the assignment to apply to. Also, your grading period will automatically be selected for you. And the resources is where you can add something for the students to see when they click on the assignment. Always make sure to save when you're done. And your assignment is now chemistry quiz. If assignments have been added, you can then start to enter grades and or comments in what's going on. So we want to click on whatever assignment we want to enter grades in. We want to go ahead and enter our scores. Now what this does is bring up a big screen. It has all students, their grade, the grade that they're going to get here, which I'm going to say that they got a 30 out of 30. You can exclude this from their portal, which we don't want to do. You can hide it, which we don't want to do. And you can also make comments, which we will do in a minute. The drop down allows me to, or the green arrow, I'm sorry, allows me to give all students below this the same grade. When I look at the standards, I can see if I wanted to score with standards, that I can enter specific scores for what they got in each section. Exempt would mean that they do not have to turn the assignment in. Missing would mean that you are giving them a 0 or it is missing. And turned in means it is turned in, you just haven't graded or put a grade in the gradebook yet. So the parents and students should not panic. You can add any notes you want to them, such as good job, or the student needs to make up, or they need to do a retake. And again, don't forget to save when you are finished.